let him attack you. Hey, sir.
Yes.
So what's the puppy doing?
He likes to bite, but when you run, he likes to bite sometimes.
Ow, my leg!
Good Bobby.
Who's
Excuse me, can you put that thing to me? Whatever you're holding.
Sorry, sir. No, we can't.
Whoa.
And this is his collar. Stay here. Belongs to Eddie, Esteban.
Gentleman, he's a big nice.
Wait, what is it? Eddie, Esteban, and Gabriel.
His name is
Noodles.
Charger.
Charger.
And the dog, I'm gonna release him so he can attack them and eat them. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready, set, go.
I farted.
Oh my god, and they're attacking him, the dog. Oh my god.
Put him down when he bites. Hey, puppy!
So what's the puppy doing?
He's biting us.
You see that, people? The dog's gonna kill them.
Puppy right here.
He's biting them so badly. Ah! 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 Everyone, take cover. Take cover. Take cover.
Take some cover.
I just give him my blankets. Go on top of Eddie's blanket.
Ah, he's biting me. Ah! People, cover yourself. It's me, the doggy.
I got him.
Ah! Ah!
Come to the rescue.
You're no good.
Ah!
I'm Superman.
They helped us.
I'm
Superman.
They saved us.
Batman. I'm
They
Batman.
helped me.
I'm
People,
Batman.
these superheroes are well
I'm
trained.
Batman.
Thank you, Batman. Thank you, Superman. It's an honor to make you help us.
Here, let me fight you.
Do you have any words to say?
First of all, what is your dog doing?
I don't know. That's not my dog. It's a lost dog. And I am Eddie. Your name is for real? Besides Superman?
My name is Aaron.
No.
Gabriel.
And what's your name, little kid? Batman?
I'm Batman.
And what's your name?
Stefan.
Get to let you know. And the producers of this video is Gabriel, Esteban, and Eddie, me. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the video, it'll be my honor to let you see the movie. And
I can only see your mouth, your ears, your eyes now.
And thank you for watching us on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.
Log in on YouTube.
Log in.